July 7, 1999, during the Kargil War, brave Indian Army soldier Captain Vikram Batra was martyred. Born on 14 September 1974 in Guggar village of Palampur in Kangra district, Captain Batra was posthumously awarded the Paramveer Chakra for his indomitable courage. He served as an officer in the 13th Jammu Kashmir Rifles of the Indian Army, having received his training at the Indian Military Academy and being commissioned as a lieutenant in December 1997. Initially posted in Sopore in Baramulla district of Jammu and Kashmir, he participated in numerous anti-terrorist operations. During the Kargil War on 7 July 1999, he attained martyrdom while recapturing Point 4875 and attempting to save a fellow soldier. Point 4875 is known as Batra Top in his honor. Earlier on June 20, 1999, Batra's team had captured Point 5140 Peak, from where he famously sent the message "Ye Dil Mange More" over the radio. After this operation, he was given the code name Sher. Captain Anuj Nair was martyred during the Kargil War on 7 July 1999. He was an officer of 17th Battalion Jat Regiment and was tasked with liberating Point 4875 from Pakistani Army, one of the most challenging objectives of the war. Captain Nair and his squad captured 3 bunkers, but the 4th proved particularly difficult. During the assault on this 4th bunker, Captain Nair was fatally injured by an enemy rocket projectile and attained martyrdom. His team subsequently succeeded in recapturing Point 4875. For his exceptional bravery and leadership, Captain Anuj Nair was posthumously awarded the Mahavir Chakra. In honor of his sacrifice, a school and a road in Delhi have been named after him. On July 7, 1896, the Lumiere brothers screened films for the first time in India at the Watson Hotel in Bombay. This event is significant in the history of Indian cinema as it marked the debut of film screening in the country. 6 short films were shown that day, including Entry of Cinematography, Arrival of a Train, The Sea Bath, A Demolition, Leaving the Factory, and Ladies and Soldiers on Wheels. The ticket price was 1 rupee and the screening greatly impressed the audience. This event laid the foundation of Indian cinema, with subsequent film screenings held in other cities like Calcutta and Madras. Auguste and Louis Lumiere later conducted a second screening at the Novelty Theatre in Bombay on 14 July, where a total of 24 films were shown. The film screening by the Lumiere brothers are considered the beginning of Indian cinema.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
Mahendra Singh Dhoni was born on 7 July 1981 in Ranchi, Jharkhand, which was the part of Bihar back then. Dhoni is considered one of the most successful captains in the history of Indian cricket. Popularly known as Mahi, he is internationally renowned as a skilled batsman, proficient captain, and excellent wicketkeeper. Dhoni's inclination towards sports began in childhood, where he actively participated in football and badminton. Initially a goalkeeper for the football team, his coach encouraged him to switch to cricket. Dhoni played domestic cricket for Bihar and the Eastern Zone, earning his place in the Indian team through his explosive performance. Dhoni made his international debut against the Bangladesh ODI team in 2004 and 5. In September 2007, he was selected as the captain of Indian T20 team. By winning the ICC Champions Trophy in 2013, Dhoni became the only captain to receive all ICC trophies in international cricket. He has been honoured with the Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri and Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna awards. Dhoni is also the captain of Chennai Super Kings, leading the team to multiple IPL titles. Under his captaincy, CSK won the IPL trophy in 2010, 2011, 2018 and 2021. On July 7, 2008, a suicide attack targeted the Indian embassy in Kabul, Afghanistan, resulting in 58 fatalities and 141 injuries. The explosion occurred at 8:30 am near the embassy gate, detonated from a car as officials were entering the premises. Among the victims were Indian diplomat V. Venkateshwara Rao and Brigadier Ravi Dutt Mehta. In the aftermath, then President of Afghanistan Hamid Karzai suspected the involvement of Pakistani's intelligence agency ISI, although no evidence was found to support this claim. The Pakistan denied any involvement. Following the attack, other Indian embassies in Afghanistan experienced similar suicide attacks. Since then, there have been more than 7 such attacks on Indian embassies in Afghanistan, resulting in numerous casualties. On July 7, 1928, sliced bread was sold for the first time in Ohio, America. Before this, whole pieces of bread were sold which people used to cut at home. American engineer Otto Frederick Roeder has made a machine through which bread could be cut easily into slices. It is said that Otto wanted to make this type of machine since 1912. By 1924, he also made one such machine, but then the problem of sliced bread spoiling quickly started coming up. To deal with this, Otto made another machine by the year 1927, which used to pack the bread itself after cutting it so that the bread does not spoil. Then he sold this machine to a bakery in Missouri in 1928. Then on this day, such sliced bread was sold for the first time in the bakery. Gradually, sliced bread came into vogue and many bakeries bought this machine. Even today, sliced bread is popular in the market.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now, Rhythm app, where every story matters.